Hello. We were supposed to upload our anniversary vlog, but then I kind of lost the footage
Oops, happened.
and also recovered it. I mean, it's still recovering in the back end, so I thought, why not do another video? So yeah, in today's video I'll be asking Vikram Gen Z lingos. To be very honest, even I don't know the meaning, so I'll be using Google and let's see if he knows anything. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start with easy ones.
So there are difficult Gen Z words
Yeah.
also.
What is fam?
What is
Fam.
fam?
Huh.
Family?
Yes, correct. That's what I said. It's easy.
Okay.
Glow up?
Glow up.
Huh.
Cheer up.
Nah. It means makeover.
Makeover.
Huh. Like makeover.
Glow up.
Glow up, yeah.
Okay. I
Glam
thought
up.
glow up is more like you're cheerful about something. So you cheer up about something.
No. Okay.
Glow up.
Okay. I dropped my phone. I mean, it dropped on its own. Anyway, so the next word is cancel culture. Okay, just a hint that this is something to do with social media.
Cancel culture.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Cancel culture is a form of shaming the actions or opinions of a public figure, company, or organization.
What rubbish. Okay.
Okay, what's a stan?
What's a stan?
Huh. Again, the hint is something related to social media.
No idea.
Stalker fan. Even I didn't know this. Okay. Dank.
Dance and
No.
dank.
Yeah. Okay, sorry for that noise in between. It's the car wiper, by the way. Okay. Dank.
Not a night. No clue.
If something is dank, it's excellent or very high quality. Even I didn't know this.
There is no relation.
Yeah, that's why it is Gen Z. Okay. Yeah, we are really sorry if we are offending Gen Z, but yeah, we are 90s kids. We will offend you like this. Okay, ghosting. Ghosting, I mean, yeah, okay, you should kind of.
Probably disappearing somewhere or reappearing somewhere and scaring somebody.
No, you're partially right. Ghosting is like, this term is common in the earlier talking stages of relationship. Ghosting someone means you start ignoring them or stop texting back. So ghosting is possible on social media also, not just relationships as such. But if you are talking to a potential client and suddenly they stop responding you, maybe because your prices are high or whatever, so that's also called ghosting. So yeah, ghosting. Salty. It's not literal meaning of salty. Okay, this is Gen Z lingo.
Yeah, it should have some weird funky meaning which
Yeah.
you cannot guess. Salty. I can't think anything from the obvious.
Okay, Gen Z uses this term when they are feeling jealous. Like you can just use J instead of salty and sour and sweet and all of that. Okay. Bougie. I like this word, okay? I really like this word bougie.
Is it something when you're tipsy, toxic?
No.
Bougie.
This is a term that can be used if you're describing something or someone that is extravagant or fancy, like bougie.
How?
I don't know. There's a song also. I don't know the lyrics of the song, so I won't sing. I won't even bother singing. Okay, cap. No. Not literal cap.
Upper limit?
No.
This is some sort of it's difficult to think what could be there. I mean, for cap.
Okay. So if you say no cap, it means you're being authentic or truthful. So cap is lie, I think so. Yeah, I don't know.
They have the same number of alphabets. They have the same cap lie
Yeah, I know.
syllables. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sitting like this because the phone can fall anytime I feel. Will fall, sorry, not can fall. Okay, simp.
Simple.
No. No. Someone who does way too much for the person they have a crush on. Oh my god. Okay. Snack. Not snack. Like not literal meaning of snack, but snack.
No idea.
A snack is a person that you find attractive.
Oh, person that you find attractive.
TFW. Abbreviation, okay. Huh?
WTF.
No. TFW.
No idea.
That feeling then. Woke. WOKE, woke.
Woke up.
Woke refers to being politically aware.
Okay. I'm not aware of this.
Yeah. Drip.
Drop.
No. Another way of saying swag. Drip is a term for a cool or sexy trend or style.
Okay. Good to know.
Okay, last. IYKYK.
I know, you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Oh, okay.
Okay. There are a lot of them actually, like vibe check, I am weak, drag, God knows what, main character. I like the main character stuff. So yeah. I don't know, like to be very honest, Gen Z slang and lingo is a little too out of our understanding.
Come on, it's rubbish. There's no, you can't just make up sounds and put them as words.
Yeah, but okay. Anyway, once you like, I don't want to take the name here, assuming the person will watch this video. But we went to attend one of his friend's wedding, and there we had this junior or some, yeah, your junior, right? Where this guy was like, we'll cut from here.
Yeah, we were at a wedding.
Yeah.
And he said, we'll cut. I'm like, okay, what? Cake cutting is already done. He said, we'll cut. I
Yeah.
said, okay, what will you cut?
Not even exaggerating, this actually happened. Me, Vikram and my sister-in-law, we were a little confused as to what cut what. Then we understood that
Cut actually means move away from here.
Yeah,
Quite difficult.
I'll cut from here. Oh god, cutting. So okay, I hope we have successfully roasted and offended Gen Z. If we haven't,
No.
we'll try to do it more next time.
We don't mean to offend you or insult you. It's
Not
just that we find it difficult to understand the relation between the terminologies and the meaning.
Yeah, it's very difficult to comprehend, to be very honest.
Yeah, for example, the dank,
Yeah.
cut. I mean,
For suspected or something, they say sus, S-U-S. Like, how difficult is it for you to say suspected? But, okay, well, we have to stop now. Yeah,
oh, they have dug up something.
we have successfully dropped the phone for the second time.
And we've
We-
still not learned.
Yeah, and
See, one good thing about Gen Z is they understand when the phone falls down for the second time, you're not supposed to record. But uncle
But
auntie
we-
generation, repeat cycle.
okay, anyway,
So kudos to you guys over there.
we have come out for some work right now. We are almost about to reach the destination. That's it for today's video. I'm going to upload it as it is, raw. because I don't have time to edit. I hope you liked it. Also, if the noise outside is disturbing, it's because we have good rains right now. So thanks to rain god for some mercy. Chalo, bye.